Let me solve the problem where you have to run pair t-test in presence of strong seasonality, and we have seen the seasonality is huge using SAS. So I have saved this data and I read this data in R. So what I have done, I selected this location and clicked on this so that the file gets uploaded by choosing this folder. It's already uploaded, it's available here. You can see this is available here, Q5 data. So let me read this data here in SAS. It is showing 181 row. As always, it is showing one blank row, but as a analytics person we need to have problem solution for all these situation. So we'll go ahead and solve it. All the variables should come character and numbers, so good enough. Let's go ahead, delete the unwanted row. So now we are having 180 rows, so good enough. Now let's deseasonalize the data. Why we are doing deseasonalization? Because even if like we would have expected trend value to give 100, because of seasonality this value would have become 120. And even if the trend value is saying 100 in this case, because of seasonality it would have become 90. You may refer to time series analysis if at all you are not so clear. But then 75 here, it's actually like you divide 75 by 1.2, that would have been the value if there was no seasonality. And here 45 would have been 45 divided by 0.9, that would have been the consumption if there was no seasonality. So let's do that. So what we are doing, Q3 consumption divided by 1.2 and Q4 consumption divided by 0.9, it is giving me deseasonalized values. So I have got those two columns, Q3 underscore 1, Q4 underscore 1. Now running pair t-test is fairly easy in SAS. That's the command proc t-test paired Q3 underscore 1, Q4 underscore 1. If you run it, so take a look. It is saying Q3 minus Q4 is definitely positive, 5.12. And the p-value is also pretty significant. So you can say with confidence that when you have implemented sensor, the reduction in consumption is not just because of seasonality. It is also something additional we have got. By implementing sensor, you have been able to reduce the consumption on an average by 5.12. So there is an impact of seasonality. Deseasonalized value has already taken care of that. Now whatever is left over is the impact of this sensor. So you can say with confidence that sensor works. Here you have 95% confidence interval for the sensor. Here is the lower limit, here is the upper limit. So you have got for the mean that what it is, and you can say with confidence sensor works. So that is the SAS solution for this particular problem.